Ryan, are you doing your homework already?
Yes, Emma. I started early today. I want to finish it before dinner.
Wow, that's so good. I wish I could be like you. I always start late, and then I feel tired.
I used to be like that too. But now, I try to do a little bit every day. Not too much, just a little.
That sounds easy when you say it. But when I sit down to study, I feel sleepy.
Sleepy? Maybe your brain is saying, Emma, take it slow.
Yes, maybe my brain is too lazy.
So, what homework do you have today?
English homework. We have to write 5 sentences using the word because.
Oh, that's a nice one. Do you want me to help?
Yes, please. Sometimes I get confused about because.
Okay, let's do it together. Softly, slowly. Repeat after me. I am happy because I finished my work.
I am happy because I finished my work.
Very good. Do you understand why we used because here?
Yes, it shows the reason, right? The reason why I am happy.
Exactly. You got it.
Okay, let me try one. I'm tired because I studied a lot.
Perfect. That's correct and natural. Pause.
See, when we learn together, it feels easy.
Yes. Learning together makes everything more fun.
Ryan, sometimes I feel sad because I try hard, but I still make mistakes.
Hey, don't be sad, Emma. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I do.
Really? But your English is so good.
Thank you. But you know, I made many mistakes before. Mistakes help us learn.
I guess you're right.
When we fall, we learn how to stand again. When we forget, we learn how to remember better next time.
That's beautiful. You always say things in such a calm way.
Because I believe learning is not only about books, it's about patience, too.
Yes, and kindness. You teach with kindness.
Okay. Let's practice English conversation for a few minutes.
Sure. What should we talk about?
Let's talk about our favorite subject. I'll start. My favorite subject is English because I can express my feelings with words.
That's lovely. My favorite subject is art because I can express my emotions with colors.
Wow, that's so poetic.
Soft laugh. Thank you.
Now, I'll ask you a few questions, slowly, okay?
Okay.
What time do you do your homework?
I usually do my homework after dinner, around 8 o'clock.
Good. Now, repeat. I do my homework after dinner.
I do my homework after dinner.
Excellent. See, you're learning so well.
When you speak slowly, I can understand everything.
That's the key to learning English. Listening slowly, speaking slowly, and feeling the meaning.
Ryan, I think learning English is not just about grammar. It's about confidence too.
Exactly. When you believe you can speak, your words start to flow naturally.
I used to be shy, but now I feel better.
Because you practice every day. Practice brings confidence.
Yes, and this conversation helped me a lot.
I'm glad. You're improving beautifully.
Thank you, Ryan. I'll do my homework every day now, and I'll do it slowly, with understanding.
That's the spirit. Remember, slow learning is deep learning.
Ryan, thank you for teaching me today.
You're welcome, Emma. I'm proud of you.
I learned new words, new sentences, and new confidence.
That's what learning English is all about. Not just words, but feelings.
Yes, I feel it now. English is beautiful when we speak it with heart.
Exactly. And remember, slowly and gently. Don't rush. Learn with love. Speak with care.
I will remember that forever.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.